I told you that you could be saved? What if I told you that you could be changed? That all of the guilt and all of the shame and everything dirty could be washed away? Fully alive, fully redeemed, headed for heaven, forgiven and free. What if I told you it's true? What would you do? And what if I told you that there is a love that never lets go and never gives up? He died on a cross to bury your sin, then 3 days later he rose up again. Look at that tomb, it's dark and empty. Step in the light, walk in his victory. What if I told you it's true? What would you do? Jesus is calling out your name. This is the reason you were made. Run to his arms, just as you are. A little faith is all it takes. Come and be saved.
And ఇవి కాల్చి అట్లా అనిపించి